Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting Meet on your iPhone and granting the essentials so calls work. First, make sure your iOS is current and you're on Wi-Fi or cellular. Next, open the App Store, search for Google Meet, then tap Get or Install. Once installed, open the app. Sign in with your Google account. This links your calendar and contacts. Make sure to allow camera, microphone, and calendar permissions when prompted so meetings and notifications function without interruption. Once the app is ready, you'll create or join a meeting and configure your media. Tap New Meeting to start instantly or join with a code when someone sends a link or 10-digit code. Make sure you select the correct Google account if you use more than one. Before you enter, use the preview screen to toggle camera and microphone, switch between front and rear cameras, and test audio. Once satisfied, tap Join Now. This minimizes interruptions and ensures you look and sound right to others. In the call, rely on the toolbar to mute, toggle video, open chat, or present your screen. These controls keep the meeting smooth. If you need privacy, enable background blur or a virtual background from the More menu, and switch audio output between earpiece, speaker, or Bluetooth if needed. When finished, tap the red hang up to leave. If Meet won't connect or your camera/mic fail, force close the app, install any app or iOS updates, confirm permissions in settings, or try a different Wi-Fi/mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.